Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about starting a marketing company. Most people who do it do so as freelancers. I've been very lucky. I actually have two investors, and I'm in part of a company that is a four-member partnership. So before I begin delving into what it is like starting a marketing company, you have to be financially stable previously. You cannot really have student loans. If you have a family, you have to make sure that your family is taken care of before you do a startup, especially marketing. And if you have, a wife, she has to be okay with it. Hopefully, she has another job. In my case, in my example, it just was a very good time in my life. So, my ex-fiance and I broke up, and that, actually was great. I think that was financially good for me. She had a lot of loans. We both went to NYU. My parents helped pay off my loans as well as I paid off my own loans, especially in law school. I paid off those loans myself. But at NYU, I came in with no loans. I came in with no children. I came in with no credit debt, or my credit is very good. And the only loan I have to worry about right now, I don't even have any auto loans, is my home loan, which is a brand new home. So it's okay. I have that taken care of for the next 6 months at least, maybe way more. Depends on how you're calculating it. And at the very end of the day, you have to be financially stable because any additional stress financially, you're just going to fall apart. You already are stressed. You're working 60, 80 hours a week. Marketing, a lot of times you're just throwing out bait a lot of times and nothing is biting. Nothing just bites. You're fishing. You're out there in the ocean and it's just like the old man in the sea. And you're hoping to get that giant marlin, but at the end of the day, like most days, you don't get anything. You don't even get a tiny fish, right? But you still have to go out and fish every single day. It is it messes with your schedule a ton. It messes with your work habits. It messes with your living. And hopefully once I move to my new place, I can have a better, one of the New Year's resolutions is to have a better work-life balance. But at least initially when you start and you don't know what you're doing, you're just spending 60 to 80 hours failing over and over again. It feels like you're failing. You're going out to this place and that place, and you're spending a lot of time with clients that would never pay you, and then only like after the seventh meeting you realize, holy crap, this person just wants information and is never going to pay me, but you were too nice. Right? I mean, it makes you kind of mean. I hate to say it, but it makes you kind of mean because people do take advantage of you, and they do feel like your marketing skills, they shouldn't pay for it. You should just give them free advice. Much like lawyers do. Like if you're an immigration lawyer, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Clients who don't have the money will ask you for consultation for free, and then just drain you. Just drain you. So be ready for financially, unstable existence, as well as just having clients that are I should say prospects because they're not real clients, that drive you insane but never pay you any money. So definitely you need to take care of yourself before you can take care of the company. And yourself should always go in front of the company. And that's my best advice to people starting their own marketing agencies or doing marketing freelance. If you're not healthy, the company's not healthy. If you're not I try to exercise as much as I can right now because I need to not be sick. If I'm sick for a week, kind of company just falls apart, right? And it's very difficult. Anyway, bye guys.